Okay, hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial for Revit Family wardrobe. Let's go for create Revit Family for inside parts. So let's first go with hangers. Hangers are a little more maybe difficult because if you make them same hanger, it won't be really good looking. So you just need a little basic maybe changes to this, and you will see it will look much better. So for hanger, let's create another metric generic model. So click on this open. Okay, so let's go to front, and for example, let's put like a reference plane. It will now you don't have to make this hanger width or some adjustable. We need just make adjustable number of hangers. So I just create like this reference plane. So let's put dimension. Okay, so make it like this, go scale down a little. Okay, I think basically width for hanger will be around 350, I think, normally. So let's put parameter family types 350. Oops. Yeah, maybe like this. Maybe we can go for 400. Yeah. Okay. So now let's go for create extrusion. We just want to create we just want to create a basic shape of hanger. So maybe like this. Go to this, start and reduce arc. Just you click on first point and last point, for example like this, and you then change it accordingly. I think this is great. Normal line, go like this, and I put again this arc. Yes, I think maybe it's maybe a little bigger. Yes. I just make a trim. Everything you can go do with these lines is in modify tab here. So just click on trim one and second line, and it will disappear. Okay, now I will mirror this. So click, hold Ctrl down, second click, third click, and now go to mirror draw with, and I draw axis, 1 point, second point, and it's done. Okay, you can see we have a little wider. So okay, go to the floor plan. Let's put another reference plane, one reference plane, second, again dimension 1, 2, equality, put it a little so we can see. Okay, now let's put depth to this. So okay, it depth of normally of hanger, I don't know, maybe 30. I put 25. Okay. Again, you need to align this, so go here, so put it here, one, put it second, lock. Okay, so it's now, I think it should be a little less, maybe 13. Okay, let's put 10. I think 10 is all right. Okay, so I just changed this depth. Okay, so it should be okay. But this is, I don't like these sharp edges, so let's make some void sweeping. So go to the front view, again go to void forms, but not for void extraction, but for void sweep. It will create void, as you can see, according your created path. So let's create void sweep, and every first step is sketch path. So basically I have most favorite tool is this pick line, because I just click on this and you just pick lines and it will pick your edges accordingly. So but I don't like this is place where you will draw your shape of void, but I would like to have it here, so you need to make it, I will delete all this. Okay, and second, you can see on every first it will put this point. You will see what it do later. Just click on this all edges from these sides, click OK, and now you need to click on this, go to the modify, and your sketch is done, and you need to edit profile. So at this point you will draw a profile which create void, and you can then cut this void from solid. And you can see I can create edit profile. I need to go to left side. Maybe in 3D it will be more clear. Okay, so click on this again to modify, edit profile. Now I am in creating shape. So let's try to create something. Okay, go. I think for best result, okay, I have idea. Let's do this like this. Create here. No. Okay, never mind. Let's go back. And I think, okay, let's go to make view, so it will profile will lay exactly perpendicular. So if you go to this box and click right click with mouse and go to orient to a plane, you will see this. You just click on this and reference plane, so it will make a view exactly to profile plane. So I click on this and click OK, and you can see I have now exactly perpendicular view on this profile. So again, go click on profile, go modify sweep, edit profile. Now I will make sweep like just shape of void. You don't align anything now, it won't change it. We just want hanger with one size. Click OK, click again OK, and if you can see now it has this shape. Okay, let's another upper part. So go to the front, and I think for this will be best sweep. So let's go with sweep, and let's make it, we need to set work plane so it will be exactly inside in the middle of this hanger. So if I go to this view, and middle reference planes is center, you can see again center, front, back. So go on to the front view and create sweep, sketch it, and now just create, and we need to set work plane. So you can see it's set correctly, so I don't need to, it don't need to be changed. So let's go with like this, put maybe again like this, and I think it's too much. I think this should be all right. Okay, and again I need to click on this and go edit profile, but we need to go to better view. So from top it will be perpendicular, so go to reference plane, edit profile, and basically put a little circle like maybe this. Okay, and you can see we have hanger exactly what we need. Okay, just we need to put material to this. So again I will put hanger material, hanger, and this I like to put it like forging. Okay, so hanger, let's put some wood like birch, and the forging some metal, aluminium. Okay, so it should be now, yes. Okay, so we create our first hanger. So in next video we will try to make it with nested families, and you will see how we can manage a number of hangers in different ways. So thank you for this, and we will see again in another video. Thank you.